Hey friends and family, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a while, at least for unboxings, so I just got all of my subscriptions like within the last 4 days, so that's why you haven't seen any unboxings this month, and that is also why you haven't seen any makeup swatches on my Instagram. So hopefully we can catch up, and I know everybody is already on to October spoilers, but here we are. We're gonna do the unboxing because that's what this channel originally started at, even though you guys love my clothing hauls. So today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the $12 soon to be $13 a month subscription. So if you are interested in seeing what I received or how Ipsy works, then please stay tuned. As I was saying, so I am recording this on a Sunday, and I got an Ipsy, one of the Ipsys on Thursday, and it was already too late to record because I like to do the unboxings on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and there was just no way I was going to be able to record it. And then I received a BoxyCharm on a Friday, and then on Saturday I received the last two Ipsy Glam bag, or I don't know, something in those order. However they came, they started on Thursday, they stacked up, so here we go. This is the Ipsy $12 a month bag. However, in October it is going to go up to $13 a month. I do feel like it will be a good bag. I think the $12 a month subscription is one of my favorite. I think that it's always pleasing to me. It always has exactly what I've taken in the quiz. I do not have any complaints, so I am not upset about the dollar. I am optimistic about what they're going to put in there. So yeah, if you are interested, there is a link down below. I do believe I earn points, or you can just sign up on your own, however you like. This is not sponsored. I just like to share because I'm a sharer. And I was feeling a little fall inspired, so I wore my orange shirt, and then I did some like fall leaf color orange makeup, and I also just felt like wearing some jewelry, so hopefully it doesn't get in the way of our unboxing. So now that I've talked your ear off, let's go ahead and get started. I can't even remember what I got, so there's like a bunch of stuff outside of the bag too. Alright, so here is the bag for this month. It is super cute. I really do think it is very nice and stylish. A very nice little clutch for the fall weather. I think it'll go with a lot of hoodies and things like that, kind of just to give it a little bit of color. So I do like that. It has the little button up front. Look how cute that button is. Right, and here is the inside. You do receive a card with a list of the items and prices you get. However, they are listed as a full size price, so it can be a little bit deceiving saying that it is over $50 a month, which I have never found to be true, but again, I'm always happy with my bags, so I just have to mention it because it bothers me. I mean, even though I say that I enjoy the bag, it's still like, you know, like just call it what it is. So anyway, again, the first item we have is a H2O hydration sensitive gel cleanser. This is a little bit bigger than my pinky, but it is definitely enough for me to know whether or not I will like it. It says to use using circular motions, apply to damp skin and rinse off. So I don't know if it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I'm currently finishing up a Murad that is about this size, so I will work on that later. Ooh, this looks really pretty. So this is a little eyeshadow, comes in the little bubble wrapper. This is Lower East Side eyeshadow. Less Beauty, City Chic eyeshadow quad, and full size price is $19. I think I forgot to tell you guys the price of the H2O. That one, full size price is $28 for that. Let me open this up because it looks like it's going to be some nice fall colors. Oh, look at how cute the packaging is. I love it. That is adorable. No mirror, which is fine, and here are the quad colors. I think these are really pretty. This would have looked really good for today, fall inspired look. By the way, I do have a migraine, so you know, if I don't look all put together, I did try. I did try. But look at how gorgeous these colors are. Let's go ahead and swatch. There are those colors there, and we will put it on the skin. Ooh, very pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, this will be a really good fall color. I can't wait to give it a try. Sometimes these little ones are nice to use. I love it. Let's see. The next thing in here is a Sophia and Mabel Wet Blush. So this one says that it retails for $18. I sort of feel like this one was my choice item. So you do get one choice item in this bag, which is nice, and then they do pick and curate the rest. Look how pretty this little container is. I just love that. Here is what the blush looks like, and let's see. Oh, it is like a little bit creamy, but dry at the same time. So, ooh, I love it. I'm going to use that. Like, I can create, that's why I love this bag, because I can create a whole, pretty much the main part of my makeup look with just this bag. I love that. And then we have okay, these face masks, I think. Papa Recipe. Oh, I didn't even give you the full size price. You guys, I'm all rusty now because I didn't get my subscriptions in time. That's what I'm gonna blame it on. This full size is $18, and it does say this is a full size item. Oh, you know, this also was a full size item for the $19. So this is a good bag because this one probably will value over $50. I will put that all at the end for you. Okay, back to this. This is a $3.50 a sheet, or $3.50 per mask. There's two in here. The sheet mask duo has got all your skin needs covered. It's made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate the skin and soothe irritation. Apply to skin for up to 30 minutes. Remove and pat on the skin. So just like any other face mask. Here are the two. It looks like, are they the same? I don't know. Oh, yeah, they both are a Bumblebee Pore Ample Honey Mask Pack. So there's those two guys. I don't use face masks, so again, this would be in a giveaway. But we need more subscribers. I know I'm still just a newbie, but just letting you know, like, guys, I have so much stuff. Alright, so let's see. There's one more item. It is a brush, and actually, this was probably my choice item. Ooh, it's like, I don't know if it's dirty or if it's marble. But I don't know, you can see there's some marbleness there. It is a shadow brush. Eye Blender M15 from, what is the brand? SL Miss Glam Marble Eye Blender M15. So I did pick another eyeshadow brush last month, and I saw this one was available. So I did get it because I did like the other brush, and I always love brushes. So here is this guy for you. Super pretty, very cute. This retails for $19 and is also a full-size item. So in this bag we got, wow, this bag is impressive. We got 4 full-size items. I'm going to show it to you up close. So here you can see it says full size, and then down here it says full size, and full size. All right, let's do a quick recap. We've got, of course, we've got our lovely, beautiful monthly bag. We've got the makeup brush, the eyeshadow quad, the blush, the sheet masks that aren't going to fit in here, but that's okay, we'll put them in there anyway, and the cleanser. So I think this was an exceptional bag. Again, always one of my favorite subscriptions. Not at all disappointed in it ever. And again, if I am, it's like 12 bucks. So I do think that for $13 it is gonna get better, and we're gonna see more full-size items. Hopefully we get a bag like this, 4 full-size items and 1 deluxe. So let me know what you guys thought. I know it's kind of late. Did you already receive yours? Did you get yours late as well? And did you like anything in this bag? What do you think? Let me know. All right, we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.